Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a drugstore slash first impressions video, which I am super excited about because I did purchase 3 new items to share with you guys, and they are by Maybelline, which is one of my top drugstore brands. So the first one is this Maybelline Total Temptation eyeshadow and highlighter palette, and then I purchased this highlighter, which is the Master Holographic, and it's one of the new ones and I'm so excited to try. It also reminded me of the Anastasia Beverly Hills Nicole Guerrero glow kit. In that glow kit there's one called Forever Lit and it looks similar, so I was like, maybe it's a dupe. And then I also purchased this Super Stay Matte Ink lippy, and it's from their new line, which is exciting. They're all nudes. So I decided to get this purple one because of this side of the palette, which is some nice purpley pinkish colors. So let's see what I come up with. I'm going to start with correcting my face, and I'm using this Maybelline Master Camo color correcting pen. Apply that just a little bit. Be going in with this Milani Conceal and Perfect foundation, and I'm so excited to try this. This is the first time I'm applying this foundation. I'll go in with my Maybelline Age Rewind concealer. And then I'm going to be going in with this L'Oreal True Match. It's a powder, but I use it to contour. This Revlon Photo Ready Translucent Pressed Powder. This flat shader brush by Bodyguard, and I'm going to be taking the top color, and I'm just going to apply that as a base. And I'm just gonna dab that in on the eyelid. Next, I'm going to be taking this Seed brush by e.l.f. and I'm going to be taking this color and applying it just on the lid. Be taking the same color, but I'm bringing it up just a little tiny bit up to the crease, blending it nice and even. So then I'm going to be taking this Morphe brush. It looks like a pencil brush, and I'm going to be taking the darkest color, which is a nice I think it's grayish, like charcoal gray, almost black. And I'm going to be applying that on the outer V of my eye. So I'm just going to be extending it out a bit and then bringing it in just a tiny bit. I'm going to go in with this shimmery color, which is super beautiful. It's like the lilac underneath, but I guess it has shimmer. Applying that right on the lid. To intensify the color a bit, or to get that glitter out, I'm going to be using my NYX Matte Finish setting spray, and I'm just gonna spray that and take that same color, and it's gonna intensify the glitter, make it nice and sparkly. So then I'm gonna be taking that flat shader brush, and I'm gonna be taking this pretty color. Oh wow, it's nice. Oh, it's so smooth. I'm gonna be taking that color, and I'm gonna be applying that on the brow bone as my highlighter. Then I'm going to be applying it also on my tear duct. And then for underneath the eye, I'm going to be taking the same pencil brush by Morphe, and I'm going to be taking that dark color, and I'm going to apply that underneath. Blend it very nicely, very softly, because it can get messy with dark colors underneath the eyes. So you want to be very gentle. That's basically the finished look for the eyeshadows. Blending out the translucent powder I had underneath my eyes and on my cheeks. So then I'm going to be going in with this e.l.f. Healthy Glow Bronzer. Wow, now that it's like sinking into my skin, you can see those pretty purples coming out. That palette is so cute. So then after that, I'm going to apply blush, and I'm using this Berry Amore Milani powder blush. I'm going to be taking this big fluffy brush, and I'm going to be mixing both of those, blending in the bronzer with the blush. Next is my highlighter, and I'm excited to try this highlighter. Ooh. Ooh. Wow. I don't know if you could see that. That is beautiful. Wow. That is so cute. Oh wow. I love you. Go Maybelline. So now I'm going in with my lippy. It smells so good. Oh man, this is such a pretty color too. This applicator is a little awkward, but it smells amazing. goes perfect with the eyeshadows. I'm in love. Okay, so now I'm supposed to add the lashes and then I'll be done. Let me do this before I forget, because I always forget to apply my setting spray on camera, and I do apply setting spray every single time. Okay, so then I'm going to be taking these Demi Wispies by Ardell. These lashes, I apply it directly onto the center and then extend it towards the end and then up. See how quick that was? Apply it to the beginning. And then it'll dry. Well, this is the finished look. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys try it, and I hope I was helpful with some of the drugstore items that I purchased. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time in my next video.